AI influencers
AI influencers.
AI influencers.
AI influencers
are making $3,000,
$7,000.
$10,000.
$5,000 per month.
Yes, you heard that right. AI influencers are earning thousands of dollars each month. That's more than the annual salary of many 9-to-5 jobs. Take a look at this Instagram page. This is Aitana Lopez, a 25-year-old Spanish influencer with over 300,000 followers, a fitness lover, and a gamer at heart. She's literally making $10,000 per post. That's right, $10,000 for a single post. But here's the twist, she's not real. She's entirely generated by AI. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, from creating an AI influencer image to converting it into video, all completely free. We'll also cover a variety of AI tools, so be sure to watch until the end. Now, let's dive into the topic. Here are the 6 simple steps to achieve our goal. Step 1. Generating a prompt. Step 2. Creating an AI influencer image. Step 3. Developing a consistent character image. Step 4. Generating a female voice for the video. Step 5. Converting the image to video. Step 6. Editing the clips. Let's kick off with Step 1. Write a prompt for images. To do this, go to ChatGPT using the link in my description and ask, write a perfect prompt for an image of a 25-year-old woman with pink hair sitting on her couch. After typing, click send. ChatGPT will provide the perfect prompt for you. Now, copy the prompt and paste it into Notepad or WordPad. Step 2. Generate images. Here are 2 ways to create realistic images, either with Flux AI or Google Colab. We can try both. First, go to Flux AI using my provided link. Click Login and sign up with your email or Google account. Clear the existing text and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Scroll down, choose the image dimensions. For YouTube, use a 16:9 ratio. For Instagram, use a 9:16 ratio. I'll go with the 16:9 ratio. Click Run, it will create an image within seconds. Once you get your result, click View Image to view it. The image is so perfect and looks very realistic, nobody will be able to tell it's AI generated. Once satisfied with your result, click Download. The main drawback of Flux One AI is that it only allows us to create 10 images per month. To overcome this limitation, let's switch to another AI tool, Google Fooocus. Start by typing Fooocus GitHub in Google search and clicking the first link. Scroll down and select Open in Colab. Once there, click the play button and then run anyway. This will take a few seconds. When it's done, click the link ending in grado.live. Check both input image and advanced image, ensuring the image number is set to 2. For style options, select Fooocus Masterpiece and Fooocus Photograph. In the advanced section, turn on Developer Debugger mode. Next, return to Flux AI, copy the prompt, paste it into Fooocus, and hit Generate. The image will take a few seconds to generate. Let's wait a few seconds until image generation is complete. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel to learn how to access over 600 plus AI tools. Now, let's go back and look at our result. Click on the image to zoom in. The image looks great, but it still lacks some realism. So, while Flux One AI images look realistic, there is a limit to the number of images you can create. On the other hand, with Google Colab, you can create unlimited images, but they often look AI generated. To solve this, let's try Tensor Art using my provided link. You'll see many models in Tensor Art. Scroll up to find Flux Dev and click Try. Paste your prompt here, leave the settings as they are, and click Go. Once you get your result, click to view it. The image looks very realistic, and the lighting and skin tone are so perfect. Unlike Flux One, here you can create up to 50 images per day, which is plenty. When you're satisfied with the result, click Download. Step 3. Developing a consistent character image. Now, create a series of consistent character images using either Flux AI or Tensor Art. I've created a few images myself, but you'll notice that each face looks different, which means the character isn't consistent. To address this, go to Google Fooocus. Check the input image in advanced, click on the input prompt, upload your AI influencer image, check advanced and select face swap. Set the stop at value to 1, and the value of weight to 1.032. Then, go to InPaint and drag and drop any stock photo you want to replace with your model's face. Ensure the image number is set to 2. Under Style, uncheck Fooocus V2. In Advanced, turn on the Developer Debugger mode. Under Control, check the Mixing Image Prompt and InPaint option. Next, increase the brush size and carefully paint over the face, including the hair and neck region, and hit Generate. You'll see that Fooocus performs an excellent face swap, seamlessly replacing the face. Use this technique to swap the face in all images, ensuring character consistency across each one. Step 4. Generate a female voice for the video. Go to 11 Labs using my link in the description and click Get Started for free. Browse the available voices and choose your favorite by playing each one.
The years teach much which the days never know.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
I'll go with the voice of Alice. Type a sample text, like, I'm an AI influencer, here to guide you through creating consistent character images using powerful tools like Flux AI and Tensor Art. Once done, click Generate. When you got your result, click the download icon to save it to your system. Step 5. Convert image to video. Go to Hedra AI using the link in my description. Click Get Start for free, upload the audio generated by 11 Labs, and upload your AI influencer image. Adjust the images needed, then click Generate Video. Within seconds, a video will be created. Once it's ready, click the play button to review it.
I'm an AI influencer, here to guide you.
If you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save it to your system. Step 6. Editing the clips. Open CapCut, click Import, and upload your video and images generated by AI tools. Drag and drop them onto the timeline. Make necessary adjustments, such as trimming, cropping, resizing, and adding transitions. You can also adjust the color settings by selecting an image or video, clicking the double arrow to scroll left, and choosing Adjustment. Apply any needed color corrections, and use the Sharpen tool to enhance your photos or videos for higher quality. Once everything is ready, click Export. Your final video and images are now complete.
I'm an AI influencer, here to guide you through creating consistent character images using powerful tools like Flux AI and Tensor Art.